The Apple credit card hack is still alive. People always ask me, Mike, is it possible to get the Apple credit card with no hard inquiry? Is it really true? In fact, yes, it is true, but you need to follow all of these instructions to a T to make sure you're successful in getting the Apple credit card with no hard inquiry. So on this video, I'm gonna walk you through it step by step on how to make this happen. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike the Credit Guy. I'm the owner and founder of Limitless Culture. We created the most advanced DIY credit management system in the industry. Our system allows you to take control of your credit, creating custom Metro 2 attack letters every single round, never using templates, for only $55.99 a month. Link is always going to be in the description. Now let's get into this video. I have over 42 credit cards, so you don't have to. I'm making sure to test out every single one of these cards. I got the Apple credit card since it came out in the beginning of its inception. That was it dropping. It's pretty crazy because it's a titanium credit card. It's one of my favorite credit cards to have in my wallet. Oh my God, look it. You can't see my card number because there is no card number. It makes it a very unique credit card. This is a beginner to intermediate credit card. You know, people love to hate on it, say it's not that great of a card. It's a beginner to intermediate credit card. Don't hate on it. It's got decent cashback rewards. And guess what? You don't have to use this card physically everywhere. You can use the app and use your Apple phone to make all your purchases or your Apple Watch. This is a very great credit card, but the biggest point about this credit card is the savings account. So all your cash back rewards that come from this credit card can go directly into your savings account. That's a high yield savings account with Goldman Sachs. Now let's get into how to get this credit card with no hard inquiry. First thing you need to do is go to the TransUnion website. That's right, the credit reporting agency TransUnion. You're going to go there and you're going to create a free account. Do not do any paid accounts. You do not need to pay for anything. All you need to do is go in there, create your free account, because we need to freeze your TransUnion credit report. But do not do it right now. Stop what you're doing. Do not freeze your TransUnion credit report just yet. We need to set this up first, leave the window open on your computer or your phone so you can go back to it. Now go in there, create your account. Once you've done that, now you are officially ready to go apply for the Apple credit card. Also know that you do not have to have an Apple phone in order to get the Apple credit card. There's gonna be a little bit of a workaround. You just have to go onto Google and type in Apple credit card application, and it will pop up on Google, and then you go on there online on the actual web browser, and you're going to apply directly through the actual website, as to opposed to if you have an Apple phone, you apply through the actual Apple phone. So it is possible to get this if you are one of those Android people with the green bubble. If you are also going through the website/web browser, then you will need to create an Apple account. You cannot apply for the Apple credit card without an Apple account. So it's a very simple process. Just set up your Apple account, and then once it's set up, then it's going to allow you to go after and apply for the Apple credit card. It's just the last little tip right there about that. I almost forgot one last thing. If you are not an Apple phone user, you will not be able to take advantage of the high yield savings account that can be attached to your Apple credit card. Unfortunately, that is the deal breaker for all the people that have Androids. So if you have an Apple phone though, you will be eligible to use the high yield savings account with your Apple credit card, because it's all built into the ecosystem inside of the iPhone. Now there are rumors that they will allow people that do not have iPhones to take advantage of the savings account later on down the line, but unfortunately right now I do not have the data points that state clearly that you can actually use the savings account without the Apple iPhone, because it's in the wallet feature. Now if you're somebody out there and you know for a fact that you can use it or you can't use it, please drop it in the comments for our community. Last part is the most important. Now let's get into it. So you're going to open your iPhone and you're going to open the wallet app. Once you open up the wallet app, you're going to see the little icon with the little plus sign. You're going to tap the little plus sign. Once you tap the plus sign, it's going to pop up and it's going to show you apply for credit card and all kinds of other things in there. But you want to go and click on apply for Apple credit card. Very simple. Now it's going to show you that you can get up to 3% cash back, which is pretty awesome, not going to lie. Remember, it's going into that savings account, which is great. Now, once you click next, you're going to enter your personal information, your name, your phone number, your date of birth. That's very important. Don't mess this up. Next, it's going to ask you for the last 4 of your social. Remember, there is no hard inquiry for this. It's going to tell you if you are approved first. Now, once you enter the last 4 of your social, it's going to ask you for your salary. It doesn't even ask you if you're employed, which is wild to me. Okay, so now when you enter your salary, remember, this includes any money from a shared actual bank account. So like if you're married and you share a bank account, you can put that combined income in there because it's telling you right there clearly. Now understand that Goldman Sachs and Apple credit card do not ask for proof of income over $100,000. You generally don't want to put over $100,000 that you make per year unless you can prove it. I'm not telling anybody to lie. Do not ever lie on an application. But I'm telling you, they do not ask or verify income. Now, once you hit that, you're going to move forward. It's going to tell you all of the interest that they can possibly charge you. Then you're going to hit agree. Now, once you hit agree, it's going to tell you if you are approved. If you are approved, there will be an actual limit. Now, this is where we are going to stop the process. Do not accept the credit card just yet. Do not close the window. You're going to open a separate window. Then you're going to log in to your TransUnion account. Log into your TransUnion account and you're going to freeze it. Now you freeze this account and do not unfreeze it until you receive the physical card from the mail. Literally, hear me again. Do not unfreeze this until you receive the physical metal card in the mail from Apple and Goldman Sachs. Now understand, you do not freeze your TransUnion credit report before you apply. This will not work, and it's going to tell you need to unfreeze your credit report. This is why you do it after you submit the application. Submit the application, pause it, go freeze your TransUnion credit report. Now come back and you can accept the actual offer from Apple credit card if it's ideal for you and it makes sense. And now, congratulations, you have been approved for the Apple credit card with no hard inquiry. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a very simple process on how to get the Apple credit card with no hard inquiry. If you want me to do a full breakdown of the Apple credit card, drop it in the comment section. I'll talk to you about the credit limit increases, all of its cashback features, and the savings account, and how it all operates. Because I have had the Apple credit card since its inception, and I've seen everything about it. There are a lot of features that a lot of people do not know, and they do not take advantage of. If there's anything else specific you want to talk about, drop it in the comment section, because it's all about you, our community. We cannot do it without you. Now make sure to watch the next 2 videos because they are recommended by YouTube. And don't forget, subscribe to increase your credit score.